Fellas, what if I told you there's a way to boost your confidence in the bedroom using something you can make in your kitchen in under 10 minutes? I'm talking about a simple salad. No pills, no procedures, just real food backed by science, with results you could notice in just a week. I call it my Performance Power Salad, and today I'm sharing the exact recipe, explaining the science behind it, and showing you how it can help you achieve stronger, longer-lasting performance naturally. But first, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button and subscribe if you're new. And let me know in the comments where you're watching from. I love seeing where my community is tuning in from around the world. Let's get one thing straight. Erection difficulties aren't just about getting older. It's not bad luck you have to live with. At its core, a strong erection is all about healthy blood flow. When your blood vessels are open and flexible, blood rushes in, creating a firm erection. But when those vessels get stiff or clogged, things just don't work as they should. The exciting part, the right foods can be your best medicine. You don't have to rely on a little blue pill every time. You can address the root cause by eating foods that strengthen your blood vessels and support your hormones. This isn't just hype. It's backed by solid medical science and my own 12 years of experience as a urologist, helping men regain their confidence. For those new here, I'm Dr. Narita, a board-certified urologist specializing in men's health. My mission is to help men feel strong and energetic again. After helping thousands, I've seen that real solutions come from natural, sustainable changes that help your body heal from the inside out. And that's exactly what this salad is designed to do. Let's break down the ingredients and the common mistakes to avoid. Mistake number 5 is ignoring the power of nitrates in leafy greens like arugula and spinach. Your body needs nitric oxide to relax blood vessels and allow blood to flow where you need it. Without enough nitric oxide, erections are difficult. Arugula, also known as rocket, is one of the world's richest sources of natural nitrates. When you eat it, your body converts those nitrates into nitric oxide, improving circulation. Spinach doubles down on this effect. It's also packed with magnesium, which helps relax artery walls, allowing even better blood flow. The big mistake here is skipping greens or thinking iceberg lettuce does the job. It doesn't have the same nutritional power. Mistake number 4 is forgetting about the L-citrulline in watermelon. Watermelon is more than just a summer treat. It's a natural performance booster. It's rich in an amino acid called L-citrulline, which your body also converts into nitric oxide. Studies have shown that men who supplement with citrulline report firmer erections. Watermelon is also full of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that protects your blood vessels from damage. Don't make the mistake of reaching for sugary sports drinks. Hydrate with water-rich fruits like this instead. Mistake number 3 is overlooking the flavonoids in foods like blueberries. These little berries are incredibly powerful. The dark pigment in their skin contains anthocyanins, which large studies have linked to a reduced risk of erectile dysfunction. How? Flavonoids improve the flexibility of your blood vessels, making it easier for them to expand when you're aroused. They're also fantastic for your heart. And remember, what's good for your heart is good for your erections. A common error is drinking fruit juice. Instead of eating the whole fruit, juice is often just sugar without the fiber, which can cancel out the benefits. Mistake number 2 is not getting enough essential minerals like zinc, which is abundant in pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are an unsung hero for men's health. They are loaded with zinc, a mineral crucial for prostate health and testosterone production. Low zinc can lead to low T, which means low energy and weaker performance. Studies show that getting enough zinc can support prostate health and even lead to measurable increases in testosterone. The mistake many men make is buying random performance supplements instead of getting zinc from natural food sources like these seeds. And the number one mistake is using the wrong oils. This is where so many guys go wrong. They make a beautiful, healthy salad and then ruin it with dressings made from inflammatory seed oils, like canola or soybean oil. These oils can damage your arteries and undo all your hard work. The smart choice is extra virgin olive oil. It's a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, which studies show can reduce the risk of erectile issues by nearly 40%. Always go for real, cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil. So, how do you put it all together? Here's the simple recipe for the Performance Power Salad. You'll need 3 to 4 cups of arugula, 2 cups of baby spinach, 2 cups of chilled watermelon cubes, 1 cup of fresh blueberries, and half a cup of raw pumpkin seeds. For a savory kick, add about half a cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Drizzle with extra virgin olive oil and a splash of balsamic vinegar. That's it. It's fast, delicious, and scientifically sound. For an extra boost, pair it with a lean protein, like salmon, which is rich in omega-3s and vitamin D. Eat this salad a few times a week. And research suggests you could see improvements in as little as 1 to 2 weeks, with more significant changes over 6 to 8 weeks. Now let's pause for a moment. If you've been struggling with this, feeling embarrassed or hopeless, please listen closely. You are not broken. This is your body sending a signal that it needs better care. And when you give it the right fuel, it will respond. I've seen men in their 60s, 70s, and even 80s regain their vitality with simple changes like this. So here's my challenge to you. Don't just watch this video. Actually make the salad. Try it this week. Notice how your energy and mood start to shift. This is about more than just sex. It's about reclaiming your confidence and your strength. If this video was helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with a friend who might need this message. I'm Dr. Narita, and I want to leave you with this. Getting older doesn't mean getting weaker. With the right habits, you can stay vibrant and strong at any age. Take care of yourself. You've earned it, and you deserve it.